Hi everyone, welcome to our last week of online work. You guys have done it 2 whole months of working away from school. You've done a great job, and we're going to finish off this school year with a class party, a virtual class party. We'll do it through Google Meet, but it will be this Friday. So this Friday at 12 o'clock, join our Google Meet. We'll have a pajama day, and you can bring a snack, and I'll have a slideshow for you. Next week, Monday, June 1st, you'll be returning your Chromebook, but also I will be emptying out your desks and taking down artwork from the walls and giving that to you. So have your parents check out Class Dojo, and I'll give them a schedule of what time on Monday they can come to pick those up, and then you can come too. This was an awesome year. I'll keep Google Classroom open over the summer so that you can click on fun extras. I'll add some virtual field trip tours and things like that on there so that you can practice over the summer break, because next year you'll be fifth graders. I miss you, and I will definitely miss you, and I hope that you enjoy your summer. I really hope that things open up and you can go places and do things. And I have your Six Flags ticket, so I will give that to you on Monday. So fingers crossed that over the summer it'll be open and you can go, and maybe I'll be there too and I can see you on that day. Love you guys. Let me show you what you're going to be doing this week. So Google Stream, don't forget to tell us good morning. Classwork, last week of school. We finished reading Holes last week, so please make sure you do the reading counts quiz for that. There's a virtual memory book. So you know how on the last week of school, sometimes you'll have like a yearbook or a little book that you write things that happened during the week, or not during the week, during the year. And that is something that I have for you. There will be different assignments for the week. You submit them just as always. They will be due on Saturday night, but Friday is the last day of work. But for the virtual memory book, that would be something nice to save, to keep. And I'm not sure next year if you'll have the same Google Drive, but if you look up on the top of your screen, you have the little dots, and you click on that, there's Google Drive. So on that button, everything you've done this entire year, all the work is saved there. So you can find it there. So let's say you did your fine arts project on Google Slides, it would be there. So my suggestion to you is when you're done with your virtual memory book, you there's a button that says share. You put in your parents' email, so that way you have it saved and you can print it out from the computer at your house if you want, or just to have it saved online so that you can look at it later. Okay? Again, if you have any questions for me, you can always message me on Google Classroom or send me a message on Google Voice. But we have our Google Meet on Friday, so I will see you on Friday. A lot of students presented today on Tuesday for their fine arts project, so you can present for us on Friday if we missed you. But come prepared with a snack to eat and some pajamas and ready to give our goodbyes. And if you can, come on June 1st so that I can give you your things. I will miss you very much. Love you guys. Bye.